guys, I know everybody wants to do liberty riding. You know, you want to just get on your horse and ride into the sunset with no bridle, no saddle, no nothing. And that's good, but that is only like maybe 1% of horsemanship. 99% of horsemanship is on the ground, getting the horses to feel comfortable about a lot of things that we're asking them to do. Like, for example, to me, it's more important that, like, Mick says, oh, who cares about a scarf around my neck, than does liberty riding, you know. Of course, maybe another step would be that we would do liberty riding with the scarf around our neck. But anyway, you guys, I don't want you guys to think like it's all about liberty riding, because it's not. But having said that, I do have a long video that I'm going to show you right now, all about the initial training that you need to do before you get on your horse at Liberty. I don't want anyone just getting on their horse at Liberty. This is very dangerous. And like I said, it's only this tiny small bit of horsemanship. Most of horsemanship really has nothing to do with riding at all. At least for me, it's about the relationship. Hey guys, so you know me and Mick, and Mick is my Mustang that used to be wild and is lovely for the most part. Although right now he's decided he wants to go do something else, I think roll. But anyway, we're trying to get him to the point where maybe we could do a little liberty riding. So always wear our helmet, no matter what. But I'm testing him with this, all it is a stirrup strap on him. And I'm just asking him if he can, Mick, head up, good boy, back. So I'm just using a little bit of pressure on that stirrup strap in a backward direction, telling him, good boy. And then I'm gonna make sure that we are kind of connected here. Oh, he's asking me to scratch him. Good boy. Head up. Good boy. I'm seeing how much he'll listen to me here. So what I want to do is, wait, back. Good. Nice. Yeah. I'm going to see if I can work the cones. Let's work the cones. Can you work the cones? Or are we itchy? Oh, good boy. Let's work the cones. And remember, it doesn't matter how long it takes. Come. Good boy. That's very nice. Actually, what he's looking for now is a place to roll. So wait. Oh, good. So I think what I might do as a reward. Good. Come this way. Good. And you guys can use that strap if you need to. But see, his attitude isn't great. It's okay. Slow. Good. He's listening though, slow. And we can always use that strap to back up. Very nice, Mick. It's a little bit cranky about it, but pretty good. Let's see if we can kind of do a little bit more. We don't want to do too much. Come on, sweetie. This way. Good boy. There, you're so nice. Okay, so you guys, what I'll do now is I will get on him for just a pedestal reward, because, okay, yes, I know how you know how to go outside. Good boy. We want to have a little bit of just quiet here as a reward. Good. And so I think right now what we'll do is we'll try to use the green mounting block. I'm going to put him on a hoe. Let's see if he listens. Wait. Good boy. That's good. That is very good boy. Nice job. Yeah, good. So right now, we're going to just do a small amount where... Good boy. I'm not even positive. I've never even tried it. Let's see if I can without cramming. Yes. And he knows I have cookies, which is good. Wait. Good boy. Yes. Can you go to the pedestal? Call him over, Jeff, and see if you can go over the pedestal. Good boy. I want him to know I have a cookie. Good. And I want him to go back with me using the strap. Good boy. Good. I'm just going to try and walk him over to the pedestal. He doesn't know how to steer yet, so we're going to try and use our whip on his, no, don't eat it. This way. Here. Let's go to the pedestal. Yeah, good boy. Good over. Good over. Good. That's it. And good. Good. Good boy. And let's step up on the pedestal. Good boy. Slowly. Safely. Good. Up, up, up. Good boy. Yes. Oh no, that's okay. Did we get scared? It's okay. Did we feel, we felt the strap. He felt me asking him to back up. So I'm going to let go of the strap. Let's ask him to go. Good boy. It's so much pressure, you guys. You want to step up? Good. You want to step up? I won't do the strap. I'm sorry. Step up. That's it. Good. Step up. That's it. I'm not going to put pressure. Good boy. Up, 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 up. Good. Go on. Go on. Yes. Now we're going to make a big reward out of it, right? That was a very good attempt. Yes, that was such a good attempt. You guys want to reward the attempts, the trying, little things. So right now I'm going to see if I'm just going to do a little more steering, and then we're going to call it a day. 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. You guys, the other thing is when you sit on your horses, you sit on your horses. Don't even go anywhere. If you want to sit on your horses and you just want to graze, just sit there and graze. It's such a beautiful feeling to be on the horse with no pressure, with no force. They still feel pressure even with no tack. So I think what I'm going to do is try to back away from it and come back up to it. Oh, nope, he wants to try again. Okay, good boy. Up, up, up. Good boy. Up, up, up. Come on. Yeah, go. Up, up, up. Good. Nice. I just used a little bit of leg. Good. Let's see. Good boy. Can we take, good. Yes, we're itchy. Can we do one step? Okay, no steps. That's fine. What a good boy. This time instead of food, I'm just going to give him a scratch reward. Good boy. And I think that is just a great place. We could even stop there. But I think I'm just going to see if I can do a little bit of turning. We're going to try to turn him by using our lead rope. He's a ham. Good boy. We're going to use our lead rope and put pressure to go that way. No, I know. Can we go away from the mounting block? Can we go away from the pedestal? We're going to go over. Over. Good. Over. Yeah, good. Over. Nice. Over. Over. Pressure's good. Yeah. Very nice. Jeff, can you go in front of him and do it? Good. That is very nice. Mommy's so proud of you. I know. Do one more, okay? Can you go over? Over. No, not back. Okay, he's getting confused. Good try. Can we go over? Over. Good, good. One more step. I know. Yes. Over. No, okay, Spanish walk. Over. Over. No, no. Not back. Not back. Okay, we're going to come back up on the pedestal. Good boy. You guys want to reward all the trying. Anytime we try, right? That's like all we care about is that we try. Are we going to make a funny face for everybody? Good boy. Yeah, can we go over? Okay. Good boy. Yes. So now we're going to try to do it again where we go away from the pedestal by steering. Good. Yeah. Good. Nope. I know. Over. Okay. I'm back. Over. Good. Good. Up. And hold. Oh. Nice. Can we go marchy? Marchie. Marchie. Remember? No. It's okay. Marchie. 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 It's okay. Good boy. No. I know. Marchie. Yes. Yes. Can we go one more step? No. Good. Marchie. Cheek. Cheek. No. Oh. Oh. Marchie. Marchie. Good. Marchie. Yay. So he's backing up so he can get more treats out of me, but so I have to be really strategic about when I give him the treats. I'm going to try first 2 more steps of Spanish march. We'll see. Marchie. Marchie. Yes, yes, yes. Marchie. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. How about this side? Yes. Yes. How about this side? This side. Yes. How about this side? Good. Now, wouldn't it be cool to end it up with a pedestal? So let's see. We're to come up. Oh, this whip is too long. Good boy. Can we go this way? We're going to try to steer him. He's never steered before without a bridle. Good. Now he's in Spanish march mode. We're going to see if we can walk. No, this way. Good, good. Yes. Walkie. No. Mick. Good boy. Can we go over? Okay. Yeah. We're gonna do the hokey pokey. Are we doing the hokey pokey? Good boy. Can we go up to the pedestal? Good boy. That's the way. That's the way. Up, up. Good. Up, up, up. Yes. Hold. 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 Very nice. Very nice. Can we go 1 step over? Okay, we can't do that. That's okay. We did so good today. So you guys, you just want your horses to do little bits. This is my first time trying to steer him, and only my 2nd time, I think, riding him at Liberty. You just want to reward the small things. Next time I see you guys, maybe we'll try and build on it and do a little bit more with steering, but that was a great first step. Thanks so much, you guys. Subscribe, share, comment.